So we also need Pecorino Romano as an essential part of finishing the matriciana sauce as well. And I'm just going to call this like a butter cheese. A lot of pastas get finished with butter as kind of like an emulsifier, and also to kind of create that unctuousness that we all love in pasta. In this case, in the matriciana, um, I'm going to do a combination of butter and the Pecorino Romano. So it's 2 parts cheese to 1 part butter. And basically, it's just think of it as like a compound butter. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter in here, plus about 4 tablespoons of cheese. You can work this with a spoon, with a fork, with your fingers. It doesn't really matter. As long as the butter's at room temperature, like this is. Basically, I'm just going to work this into one homogeneous unit, if you will. So it's, like I said, it's 2 parts cheese to 1 part butter. And this is what we're going to, when our sauce is just about done, we have sauced our pasta and we've got it to the consistency we want to be. I'm just going to add this in and melt it right in to kind of like mount the sauce. Why do we do this as opposed to adding them separately? To me, when you are adding room temperature butter to a sauce, you do risk the chance of breaking the sauce or breaking the butter in the sauce, which just kind of leads to, not like the most pleasant taste in your mouth. In this case, the cheese almost kind of acts as a foolproof thing. It will make sure that you don't break the butter when you add it to the sauce.